Hello, welcome to my channel Cozy Look Crochet. Today the project is gonna be making a scrunchies. Very easy project and fast and very useful. And you can also use all of your leftover yarn for this project. It doesn't take much yarns, and I have made several different colors in here. And also today all you need is a little bit of a yarn and elastic headband and your hook size depending on the yarn you're using. For this yarn I'm gonna be using 4.5 hook size in here, and so let's get started with this. Okay, first we're gonna make a slip knot. This is how I'm gonna make my slip knot. Okay, and then we're gonna go inside this band and tighten this up and bring it to the other side of the band, just like this, and then make one chain. And then go again, bring your yarn over and make another chain. Okay, just like this. And we're gonna continue doing this, bringing your yarn to the inside of the ring, this band, and make a chain. Okay, one after the other, and we're gonna go around this ring to cover the whole ring. That's gonna be our first row. I'm gonna show you one more and just push it to the inside. Okay, so let's do this first row and I'll be back. I'm done with the first row. As you can see, I have covered the whole band, and on the last one in here I'm gonna make a slip stitch. And then I'm gonna make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna do a double crochet on the very first chain in here. 1 double crochet plus 1 chain. And on each one of these, this was on the very first one. And on each one of these I'm gonna make 2 double crochets plus that 1 chain. So I'm gonna do another double crochet on the same chain, and plus 1 chain, as you can see in here. And then next chain again, double crochet plus 1 chain, and the same chain, another double crochet plus 1 chain. Then we're gonna move to the next chain, double crochet and then 1 chain, and same thing in the same chain. Okay, so we're gonna continue this for the whole round. Let's do that and I'll be back. Okay, I'm done with that row, and I'm gonna make just 1 chain in here, and on top of this, remember we had 4 chains. On top of it, I'm gonna do slip stitch. Okay, and all for this last row, I'm gonna do a slip stitch on every one of these chains. 1 slip stitch. Okay, so let's do that. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm done with this row, and this is it. Here you can see where I started, and here I'm gonna just pull the yarn, cut it, and hide the yarn with the yarn needle, and I show you the final product after I hide the yarn, 2 yarns in here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this project. Very easy, as I mentioned. And please leave your comments, and if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe. I see you on the next project. Thank you for watching.